You're watching EDS TV.
I'd bet that he wasn't allowed to try and cross the road like that. He was supposed to take a right out of there and then turn around at one of those U-turn areas. This idiot didn't want to take the extra time to drive down the road and turn around. This is a tip to new drivers. Do not drive with trailers tandems so far back unless that's where they have to be for legal weight distribution. I don't care if you're just going down a few blocks. As you can see, this driver paid the price. Afterwards, that driver drove up into some person's lawn and hit her concrete front porch and broke the front right control arms. The airbag was deployed and the tire was pushed up under the vehicle with some toe in positive camber. The white car was on the wrong side of the road. The driver hit the parked car so hard it ended up on the curb. The driver was clearly drunk. It's so kind of them to move the accident out of traffic. Excellent examples of fine motor skills. I love the way it made way for the third idiot to charge through on the shoulder. So that's what happened to my Amazon order. Let's pass on the right, speed, brake in the curve, and then, when I'm starting to lose grip, brake even harder. An absolute idiot. The pickup driver was totally at fault. The Amazon truck was signaling for a left turn and the pickup tried to pass him at a high speed in a residential neighborhood. Hopefully, the Amazon driver will get a copy of this video and keep his or her job. The truck driver was clearly not smart enough to understand arrows, signal lights, lines to tell you where the lane is going, and a vehicle being directly in their path. The guy tries to cut past traffic to get to the turn lane and then pays the price. The other guy also cuts traffic by using the crossed yellow line lane and also pays the price. Awful slow drivers love riding that middle lane and making life difficult on the on-ramp.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so.
I bet they saw the oncoming car and assumed that it would slow down or stop for them. Hopefully, the ticket and insurance increase will teach them to not make assumptions.
But they're optimistic and the diplomacy isn't over. In fact, while the Panda House is empty, the zoo plans to spend $2.5 million revamping the Panda enclosure and sometime soon will begin to build new.
These are the kind of idiots that watch car influencers that swerve in and out of lanes like they just discovered a hidden cheat code, when in reality, when they crash into something or someone, they're totally astonished. The Acura was weaving in and out before this and driving on the shoulder just to get around the other cars. Thankfully, karma was served swiftly. No matter which part of I-95 you're driving on, whether in Florida, the DMV, or New England, there's always a circus going on. I would say it's the real highway to hell. The driver claimed that his cruise control locked up. Remember people, shifting into neutral and hitting the brakes is an option at all times and speeds.
Oh my god!
The pickup truck needs to learn to use their gas pedal. This wouldn't even have been a situation worth uploading if they hadn't come to a near stop in the road after turning onto it. It was literally the only car they could have hit, and they hit it. There is no way they didn't feel that impact. They didn't even check for damage, let alone leave a note. In my opinion, they're a POS. Just watching that makes me want to run over and toss the trash back into his truck bed. This was a boom truck hauling lumber in Arkansas near Little Rock. This idiot shut down the freeway for hours and didn't even stop to take accountability.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.